Hidden away in the moors of the Peak District, approximately 2,000 feet above sea level, lies the wreckage of a Boeing B-29 Superfortress. Now this was a photo reconnaissance aircraft and it was named Overexposed, and it once captured photos of nuclear bomb testing in the Pacific Ocean. Now in 1948 it left an RAF base in Lincolnshire, headed to a US Air Force base in Warrington. Now due to low cloud, the pilot and the co-pilot had to fly the plane by its instruments. Now it is thought that based on the flight time, the crew believed that they had passed the hills and they started to descend, although the exact reason for the crash is unknown. Now there were 13 men on the plane and no survivors. In 1988, a memorial plaque was installed at the site for the men who sadly lost their lives that day.